My name is Michael Elder. I live in a city called Martinsville, Virginia, and next to it is a county called Henry County, Virginia. And this is the most corrupt place there is in America. Over the last few years, we have been held hostage by public officials who have committed crimes which is known to the public, such as County Administrator Sid Clower, who stole close to $1 million and then turned around and had a affair with a woman worked for him in his office. Had made a child from that. That happened here. Then we had the 12 police officers who were arrested for going into the inventory room and bringing out drugs and returning them to the street after they had been confiscated from drug dealers. That's been known. Just recently we had 2 jail officers charged with perjury. Grand jury indicted them. They both were convicted. And in all these different occasions, it showed that there was a known behavior within the police department, Commonwealth Attorney's Office, and court that said that these things were known, but the officials hid them or either protected the people who committed the crimes. That's how it's happened here. And today I stand before you and I say that this court here, with the help of the Commonwealth Attorney, the Public Defender's Office, the probation officer, are in this locality making black men into sex offenders and obligated to support kids that may or may not be theirs. With a stroke of a pen, they doctor the paperwork, they forge documents, they don't turn over information. We report these crimes to the magistrate and different officials here. I have tape recordings which I will make known to the public that would indicate that these officials have been notified these things do exist and they continue to ignore it. The city of Martinsville are in cahoots. Their officials are being notified of the same behavior exists within the city of Martinsville, and the FBI in Roanoke has been notified, and the FBI in Lynchburg. Until today, I have not had any communication other than letters which have been tampered with in the mail. There's no postmark from letters that come from Washington, D.C. And I talk to the post inspector and they tell you, well, we'll see, and you never hear anything back. These things are real. And I ask for somebody from the Justice Department or somebody, a lawyer or somebody, to please help me. This community knows that this behavior exists, and for some reason I've been denied my rights by a forged signature on a document that's not even a legitimate document according to the D.C. form numbers at the bottom that describes what incidents and what information must be given in the complaint to even have the form filled out. So they're making cases up, and today it has to stop. I have went into a court on February 7th and called the same judge who's been part of this process, who was going to judge my daughter that day, a liar. And I say that, and I stand behind that. So when I go into this court on February the 25th at 9 a.m., all these things are going to be known. And I ask for the public to please attend. Do not let me go into a court which many black citizens in this community have came up to and said they've been mistreated. Please don't let me go behind these doors by myself and let them continue to do what they do. It's up to the community. I ask for anybody that cares about just truth and justice to please be at the Henry County Courthouse, 3rd floor Circuit Court on February the 25th at 9 a.m. And thank you.